Hi all. In last session we were discussing about depreciation and devaluation. Devaluation of currency and depreciation of currency. And on the contrary to the depreciation of currency or depreciation of home currency against foreign currency, in today's session we are going to discuss appreciation of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency with related to the foreign currency. When so if they ask the definition or meaning of appreciation of domestic currency, it is when the value of home currency or domestic currency, that is Indian rupee, rises or increases in terms of foreign currency due to market forces of demand and supply. It is known as appreciation. When the value of domestic currency rises, but if you look 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 at the illustration given below, exchange rate against exchange rate between Indian rupee and US dollar, like earlier example, uh, on last Monday, previous Monday, rupee to dollar exchange rate was 70 rupees per dollar. Today on this Saturday, it has become 65 rupees per dollar, from 70 rupees to 65. If you look at the numericals, it is it is decreasing from 70 rupees on last week to 65 this week. Even though it has reduced, we call it as rupee appreciation against US dollar. Why we consider it as appreciation of rupee? Because last week, to buy a US dollar, I would have paid, or the cost of buying $1 was 70 rupees last week. But this week I am paying only 65 rupees to buy the same 1 unit of dollar. Why I am paying 5 rupees less? Because buying power or purchasing power of our own Indian rupee got enhanced. It has got enhanced to rupees 5. So we call it as, since the buying power or purchasing power of rupee got increased, we call it as currency appreciation or rupee appreciation against US dollar. Don't get confused. If the value of rupee against dollar or against any country's currency is reducing, we call it as currency, or especially our home currency or domestic currency appreciation against foreign currency. Both, see, if we call it as, if we consider revaluation and appreciation, in the earlier session we were discussing about depreciation and devaluation. What was the difference? Devaluation, it is the purposefully done by the government, and depreciation, it is because of demand and supply of certain currency against certain foreign currency, certain home currency against certain foreign currency. That is called as depreciation. Likewise, devaluation and revaluation are similar thing. Depreciation and devaluation is, depreciation and appreciation of currency is similar thing. The major difference is revaluation and devaluation. It is purposefully done and it comes under fixed exchange rate regime. Please do remember, there are two exchange rate regimes. One is fixed exchange rate, another one is floating exchange rate. Devaluation and revaluation comes under fixed exchange rate regime and it is done purposefully by the government. Depreciation and appreciation of currency comes under floating exchange rate or flexible exchange rate regime, and it happens because of demand and supply factor of certain currency. So if we look at the effect of depreciation on export, see, in this session I am going to compare both depreciation and appreciation. So in the earlier class also I have explained depreciation always encourages export. Depreciation of domestic currency, it is the fall in the value of the domestic currency in terms of foreign currency. If price of dollar against rupee becomes 60 to 70, that is earlier we already discussed. It means elaborately, if you try to understand the depreciation, because in last slides or last presentation depreciation it was very precise, so I have elaborated both depreciation and appreciation in this session. So depreciation means that $1 can be exchanged for more rupees, which means that with the same $1 more goods can be purchased from India. So this means that exports to USA will increase. Hence depreciation of domestic currency will encourage export. In last session I was noted only depreciation encourages export, but in this presentation you can easily understand how depreciation of Indian rupee encourages Indian exporters, and vice versa. On the contrary to exporters, depreciation discourages imports. Depreciation of domestic currency is fall in the value of the domestic currency in terms of foreign currency. If price of $1 rises from 60 to 70, it means that, see, you can understand easily with the help of this slide. It means that $1 can be exchanged for more rupees, which means that more of domestic currency is required to buy goods of worth $1. So this means that imports from USA become more expensive. Hence depreciation of domestic currency will definitely discourage imports. On the contrary to depreciation, see, depreciation of home currency always encourages exports, or it helps to increase total export of a country. So appreciation discourages export. How it happens? Appreciation of domestic currency means an increase in the value of the domestic currency in terms of foreign currency. For example, if price of $1 from rupees 70 to rupees 60, earlier you used to pay 70 rupees to buy $1. After certain days, today you are paying only 60 rupees to buy the same unit of dollar. It means that $1 can be exchanged for less rupees, that because the rupee value got appreciated, buying power of the rupee got enhanced. So with the same $1, less goods can be purchased from India. This will discourage, definitely it will discourage export to the USA. Because the importer in US has to pay more and more dollar to buy Indian rupee to pay his trade. Therefore, exports to USA will definitely decreases. Always appreciation of home currency encourages imports. Why? How? How it encourages imports? Why it encourages imports? Appreciation of domestic currency means an increase in the value of the domestic currency in terms of foreign currency. For example, if the price of $1 falls from 70 to rupees 60, it means that $1 will be exchanged for less rupees. So to purchase the worth of $1, less Indian rupees is required. This will encourage imports from US, because importer has to pay in dollar, he has to buy the US dollar by selling the Indian rupee. While buying, if the appreciation of currency means he has to pay less to buy same unit of dollar. So the appreciation of domestic currency always encourages imports. So in this session elaborately we have discussed about depreciation and appreciation. Why depreciation of currency encourages export, and why appreciation of currency encourages imports and discourages exports. So please do remember, depreciation of home currency encourages export and discourages import. Appreciation of currency encourages imports and discourages exporters. So with this we have done with the revaluation, appreciation, depreciation, devaluation of currency. Thank you.